Hey guys, welcome to Computer Hobbyists. I'm here at the Vintage Computer Festival Midwest. They have a ton of old computer equipment for sale and 8-bit guys here and so forth. I'll show you around the place. Got some old Macintoshes here. Oh, really nice old color computers. Lots of old video games for sale. I had an old 486 similar to this back in the day.
There's two of them. I know it's very popular. I have a box copy of it already. Fully box copy.
Here's a lot of old VIC-20s and Atari 800 XL computers. This one is sold.
Not a Mac XL, it's an actual Lisa, or is it a Mac XL?
Old TRS-80 Model 3. There's a free pile here. Found an old iMovie book for myself. This one was free. Here's an old Spark workstation. We used to use these in college. Not this exact version, but yeah, I haven't seen these in decades. Oh, a Next workstation. Very nice. Sega Genesis, I had one of these when I was young.
That was actually like blew up the keyboard for it at one point. And I haven't gotten back to it, but this was a previous iteration.
And a friggin' gas mask. A lot of old Atari games. Some color computer stuff too. Color file, not sure what that is. Didn't have it when I was a kid. Silicon graphics workstation, very nice.
I won't open up the top of this and show off some of the
Next workstations.
So your next key with 3 different models.
This is what I had when I was a kid. Radio Shack Color Computer 2. Mine said Radio Shack on it though, not Tandy, but Tandy owns Radio Shack. Little Apple IIc. Here's a Commodore CBM. And the instruction manuals, they got them here.
Pull it out. I get lazy, but I'm lazy.
Simulator for the Commodore 64. Some people playing vintage computers. Logo, man, that's the first computer language I learned. I learned that when I was young, like, I don't know, 9 or 10 years old. Commodore 128. Sounds like someone's playing a Petsky Robots.
You gonna stick here, or?
Some old Commodores. Here's an old Commodore PET.
But it's got SV.
Just say hi, this is Dave from the 8-Bit Guy. He's selling Petsky robots here. Which versions do you have for?
Got the Atari, Commodore, Apple version of that, and of course the Planet X3.
Nice.
Suppose I should arrange that. Put all this together.
Inspired to use
Just want to let you know, the only payment methods I can do right now is
Petsky robots on an Apple IIc here. Guitars table. Old Atari. Here's some old Macs.
And then I'm gonna letter it, and then I've got another printer.
Old Robotron. Commodore 64s. Very nice. Coco 3. I think this is a Model 4 here. Old TRS 80, nice.
I can load programs. I can't load them. I can't type them in.
These joysticks say IBM on them, but these are the same ones that they sold for the color computer back in the day. Nice.
All from the cracking scene, or from cracktros, or as we call it, crack intros. And for those that aren't familiar, a lot of your original software was copy.